Subscribe to Let's Share Solutions and press the bell icon for daily study tips, career advice and personality development videos with me, Ashwani Thakur. So, you are here because you need motivation. I know who you are. And there's one thing that I'm 100% sure about you. You want to do something extraordinary, something out of your comfort zone. Maybe something others think you can't do. You believe in yourself, but you also have a doubt. In this video, I'll teach you a simple yet powerful strategy so that you don't need any more motivation. I want this to be your last motivational video.
Bro, what are you talking, bro? If this video becomes their last motivational video, they will never watch your videos again.
Listen, I'm a personality development coach. My coaching starts after motivation. So once they get motivated, that's when I come in, so that they can succeed in what they started. You may go now and please don't disturb me while I make videos. So, how can this video be your last motivational video? There's only one word that I have for you: commitment. The moment you become committed to something, you guarantee success. Success and failure in life is not a destination, but a path. You are either on the path of success or on the path of failure. The path of success is the path of commitment, and the path of failure is the path of doubt. Once you are committed, you don't need motivation. You need motivation before you commit. You want motivation because you need some push to say yes to being committed. You would never need motivation once you take your first step on the path of commitment.
Bro, I have a doubt. Marriage is also a commitment. So is marriage a path to success or path to failure? What do you think? Oh, you're busy. Okay, just a doubt. If you don't want to answer, it's okay.
You know, he has a message. Marriage is nothing but a symbol of commitment. Till the time you aren't married, you are free. But once you are married, you are committed. After marriage, not being committed is a crime. And understand this, you don't marry every day for the marriage to be successful. You only marry once and that's it. You are now committed. In the same way, why do you need to watch 100 motivational videos? One video is enough if you decide to commit. So all that I ask you to do is please stop wandering on the path of doubt and take your first step on the path of success, which is the path of commitment. Say yes to your dreams. Say no to your doubts.
Bro,
I got it. I understood. Now I have also committed myself. I've committed that I will keep on disturbing you in your videos forever.
bro, why are you beating me? I just followed what you said.
Thank you for watching the video and I hope it helped you. With every video I produce, my goal is to increase the level of your happiness, health and wealth. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also check out my Hindi channel and business channel.